This is the NJ80. This keyboard is a little outdated, but for those who are actually looking to get this right now, hear what I have to share before buying one. Yes, many people call this the GMK Pro, but plastic, and yeah, the layout looks great, just like the GMK Pro, but there are many downsides to this board. It's hard to disassemble. I believe it uses some sort of sandwich mount. Meanwhile, at this price point, we can now get keyboard kits like the Akko ACR series, Rebel 60, and many other boards which are gasket mounts. Then there's this stock aluminium plate that for some reason feels hollow and cheap. The plate mounted steps were pretty bad as well. Why did I get it then? Long story short, ordered it for fun, took them 10,000 years to deliver it to me. By the time this arrived, it's no longer worth getting it. The switches I used for this build are the Akko Radiant Raids. Love these switches, by the way. You can check out my review on these switches if you haven't. The keycap set that I'm using is the Akko 9009 Cherry Profile keycaps. All in all, I just gotta say that this kit is pretty outdated and no longer worth our money. So yeah, enjoy the sound test.